This is When Lightning Comes in a Jar by Patricia Polacco. Patricia is having a reunion with her family and is told they will be getting lightning in a jar. But what is lightning in a jar?
Patricia's family have arrived and she's very excited to see her aunts, uncles, and cousins. Family enjoys a big dinner and a spirits game of baseball. Patricia still wonders, what is lightning?
Has finally come. Grandma is ready to catch lightning in a jar.
What is lightning in a jar? Read the book to find out.